Okay, so here I wanted to show issue with Moviemator. The issue is that when you're exporting video after recording, it slows down your audio. So this is the audio as it should be. What'll happen is sometimes when you export in Moviemator, it will slow down your audio, but not the video. The video sounds the same, but the audio sounds slow. So if you go in here to the settings, your sample rate, it's going to show as 32. What you need to do is to change this 32 to the 44.1. So once you change it to that and export it at that sample rate, then it will play the audio as it normally would. But just keep in mind that every time you set up a new project or you change some of these export settings, it can default back to it. So every time you're going to export, you have to check to make sure your sample rate's at the correct rate. Otherwise, it's going to play real slow. But when you export it and it's playing really slow, you'll at least know how to fix it.